In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uncheck all checkboxes in Notion. If you've ever wrapped up a project and want to reset your task list for the next round, or you simply want to clear all the check marks without deleting any items, this quick method will save you a ton of time. We're going to take your existing list, whether it's a simple checklist or a full to-do database view with checkboxes, and uncheck everything in one smooth motion. Start by opening the Notion page that contains your task list or any content with checkboxes. Make sure you're looking at the section you want to reset. The key idea here is that Notion lets you apply an action to multiple items at once, as long as you highlight those lines first. That's the trick we'll use to uncheck everything in bulk. Next, highlight all the lines you want to uncheck. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse down the left side of the list so the lines you want are clearly selected, or by clicking the first line, holding Shift, and clicking the last line in the range. You'll know it's selected when the items are visibly highlighted. Don't worry if your selection includes a mix of checked and unchecked items. Select whatever you want to reset. Also, keep in mind that selection applies to the entire to-do lines, not just the text inside them, which is exactly what we want for this shortcut to work on multiple items at once. With those lines highlighted, hold the Control key and press Enter. That's it. Notion will instantly uncheck the selected checkboxes in one go. If you're on a Mac, use Command plus Enter. This action doesn't delete your tasks or change their content. It simply toggles the checked state so you can start fresh without rebuilding your list. You should see all the selected boxes revert to unchecked, ready for a new day or a new sprint. If you made a mistake or selected the wrong group, you can always press Undo to go back. And if nothing seems to change, double-check that you actually highlighted the lines with checkboxes and not other block types. There you go. Fast, clean, and incredibly handy when you're resetting a template, closing out a week, or preparing a recurring checklist. Try it the next time your list gets long and you want a fresh start without any manual clicking. That's all.